Today we are going to learn georeferencing. So first of all we will open up Google Earth Pro. Now in search tab bar write Lahore, search it. Uncheck the borders and pictures layers. Move on to the add place mark to record the latitude and longitude. But first of all you have to change the units. Move on to the options where you have to choose the decimal degree. Click apply and then OK. Now add place mark number 1. Add place mark over the area which is visible to you easily. Open up the Word and save the latitude and longitude over there. Place it as a number 1 point. Copy paste the latitude and longitude values over the Word file. Click OK and you will see under the heading of places your place mark is added. Now repeat the process and at least collect 3 to 4 points on the imagery. If the imagery is tilted, use Alt plus R. Again repeat the process and save the points in the Word file. Now all the points have been added under the heading of places, so you have to save the imagery now. Click on the Word file and then Save Image. Uncheck all the title, legend and scale, compass as well. Then save the imagery in your folder or as a file. Open up the ArcMap 10.2. By clicking on the option of Add Data, you can add your imagery. When we add on the imagery, there is an unknown spatial reference system, as we have to provide the geographical coordinate system. So first of all, you have to open up the data frame properties, in which you have to click on the coordinate systems, geographic coordinate system, then move on to the word WGS 1984, apply and then OK. Now right click and choose the option of georeferencing so that tools will be appear. Uncheck the option of auto adjust. Now add on the add control points. You have to zoom in to the option of 1. First click left and then right click, input X and Y value. From Word file, you have to copy the longitude to the X point and latitude to the Y point. Click OK and repeat the process with other 3 points as well. Now all the 4 points have been added. So now click on the add data and add base map. Base map with imagery or labels, so that we can see that our coordinates are correctly added or not. As we see now, the world imagery is added. So you have to click on the option of auto adjust that we have unchecked earlier. As we zoom into the Lahore area, where the geographical coordinates already added, but our imagery is still not updated over there. It's not light or overlay over the area of world map. So we have to on the option of auto adjust from the georeferencing toolbar. As we see, all our points of geographical coordinates, latitude and longitude have been added. And when we check the option of auto adjust, our imagery is laid light over the area of Lahore.